All right. As you can see, success created shop at. So it means that we have successfully created a Next.js application. So the next thing we're going to do now is to change directory into this place. Now there are some command line um, um, commands that you are meant to be familiar with, which I'm going to quickly show you right now. For example, cd means change directory. Presently, the directory that we are working on, that's our present working directory, is shopping underscore store, which is the root level directory, this one here. I want to change the directory into shop, meaning that I will have to enter into shop so that whatever command I run there can work. Because if I run that command outside shop, it will not recognize it. So I have to use the word cd, that's change directory, and then the name of the directory you want to enter into, which is shop. So you just place it like that, shop, and then you press enter. It will change into that. You can see now, you can see shopping underscore store slash shop. Now we can now use the Next.js um, development server to see what Next.js has to offer. So before we put on the server, let me just quickly run through the files that were scaffolded. Right now, you can see that within this shop, which is the main folder after the outer one, which is shopping underscore store, this folder is the one Next.js created for us. So inside it, we have the app folder, which is where all the pages will dwell, the pages, the APIs that we will use. That's where they will dwell. Apart from that, you have the node modules, which is the packages that we will install. All the packages that will be installed for this particular application will all live here. And then the public folder is to house all the media like pictures, videos, anything media will should be inside public. Then git ignore. Any file that you do not want to show to the public, you can ignore it by placing it in the git ignore, meaning that it should not be sent to GitHub as you push your code to GitHub. I'm going to talk about that later on. And this is TypeScript next env .d.ts. That's for TypeScript. So we really don't need to do anything about that. Then the next thing is next.config. It also has a lot to do with Next.js configuration, but we don't have to do anything right now. We'll just leave it the way it is. Then package .json. This one is as a result of all the packages that we have installed, and you can see this is the packages and their versions. So and then tsconfig.json, it also has to do with TypeScript. So basically that is the file tree. So where we need to work is this app folder. That's the major place we are going to be working. And then whenever we need to add pictures, we use this public folder. So I think that is already making sense to you. So now that we are already in the shop folder, we already changed directory by using cd shop. Now we are going to start the development server to see Next.js. So the command to start the development server is npm run dev, like this. So you press enter. Once you have done that, you see that Next.js will start running. So you can go to your browser and see what it has to offer. So you can see the development server is already starting. So we need to just quickly visit the already is giving us. You can actually check this on your phone by visiting this network. That is if your phone is connected to the same network with your or your system. That is your shared your hotspot. with your system and with your system, and then by doing that you can view the project live on your phone as well by using this. So I'm going to just a moment, let me come back again.